Want to make your first $1,000? Want to make your first $1,000? Does that sound right? Want to make your first $1,000 in your new business? Then don't make these mistakes that I'm about to share with you. Hello, Just Start Gang. It's Shanique here from 𝚑𝚎𝚕𝚙.com, the home of the Just Start University, helping you, new and aspiring Christian entrepreneurs, finally kicked out to start an online business, even when no one knows who you are. So if you want to boost your Instagram, start your online business, and create an impact and influence and make an income doing what you love, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Instagram. Yes, I've made some mistakes and I probably will make more. That's just the nature of starting a business and doing something that you're not used to. But why not avoid as much mistakes as possible, especially when it comes to making your first $1,000? So that's what I'm going to share with you. My mistakes, so you can avoid those mistakes and get there a little bit faster than I did. The first and one of the biggest mistakes that I made while making my first $1,000 is that I lowballed myself when it came to my prices. And I know this is actually a struggle for most entrepreneurs, especially new ones, when it comes to knowing how much to price their items. It is a good and a bad thing to lowball your prices. It depends on your industry. So for me as a coach, maybe really good to start with free services. Yes, I offered my coaching for free for a few people until it became a little too demanding, and then I bumped up my prices a little bit more and then a little bit more. So when it went wrong is when I had a really strong demand and I still didn't price it accordingly. So if you are lowballing your prices or providing free services in order to increase your authority online, meaning you want reviews, make sure that's what you're exchanging your low prices for, and make it very clear. Let your client, let your customer know that I'm going to offer you this price, but only if I get a review. Or I'm offering this beta course, this beta service, in exchange of really powerful testimonies. I would love for you to be a part of it. I'm only offering this price to a few people until my prices go up. I made the mistake by not mentioning that at first. And now it became a little harder to price my prices at market price. But if you have proven results, and because I do have reviews from my beta clients that really back me up, it is a lot easier to price my prices accordingly now. But don't make the mistake and feel as if you price too high, people will run away from you. But the reality is you're going to make your quality and ideal customers run away. If they see prices a little too low, then they're going to think that your service or your product is too cheap, and it is cheap and it may not work. Trust me, if people find value, if they see there's proven results, if they see that your product creates a solution to their problem, if your services actually is their saving grace, then they will invest. And trust me, you want people to invest in your business, because if they're paying too low, there's no accountability with a low price, and you want people to really stick it and really use your services and really use your product as they should. So when there's a high price or a price equivalent to what the value is, then they're more likely to take it real seriously. For example, if you buy a purse at a lower price point, you're more likely to just throw it here, throw it there. If it rips, oh well, it was only $20. But if you are spending money on a Louis Vuitton, I highly doubt that you're going to throw it there, throw it here, oh it ripped, it's okay. No, because you put a huge investment in it and you expect it to live up to that investment. You expect it to last long. Therefore, you are going to treat it with care and you're going to protect it with everything in you. And that's how your customers will treat your service or your products when they actually pay a pretty penny. Don't go out and splurge and price your services way too high, which makes no sense. There's still, when it comes to the marketplace pricing, your competitors, make a reasonable decision, but don't lowball yourself because you think that you won't get any clients. You think no one's going to buy your products. Don't make that mistake. My next big mistake was waiting too long to get a mentor or coach. Yes. I was piecing together a lot of free content online, here on YouTube, Google, Instagram, and tried to do it all on my lonesome. Eventually, it doesn't work. Because you do feel stuck. You feel that even if you found some sort of success or people are interested, it's like, what now? How do I help them? I don't have all the tools. And to be honest with you, things can start moving really fast once you get prospects, and you want to make sure that you're giving them the best service, and you want to make sure that you can really help them. And to make sure you could really help them is to learn from people that have gone where you want to be. Hence why I invested into 2 coaches, one 𝚑𝚎 and 2 𝚑𝚕𝚎, both helping me with 2 aspects of my businesses. And because of them, I've been able to grow immensely on YouTube, so check out 𝚑𝚎. And I've been able to turn followers into clients thanks to 𝚑𝚑𝚜. So be sure to get yourself a mentor and learn from the best so you don't make mistakes and you get to your goals a lot faster than trying to piece together Instagram info, YouTube info, Google info. There's just so much out there. So many different mentors, coaches, entrepreneurs give different opinions according to their own strategies. And if you're trying to piece all these different elements, strategies, it just gets really confusing. So find maybe 1 or 2 mentors in a certain area of your business and just learn from them, learn from the best, and grow. You're always going to want to grow from different mentors to mentors, and that is okay. What I learned from 𝚑𝚎, I cannot learn from 𝚑𝚑𝚜, and whatever I learned from 𝚑𝚑𝚜, I can't learn from 𝚑𝚎. And that's honestly okay. You want someone that masters one thing anyway, so they're really, really good at it, and they teach you all that they know. So find someone as fast as you can. And yes, having a mentor can be a little bit pricey, but just like I spoke about in my first tip, pricing, when you're investing in value, you go hard. And because I made huge investments in those 2 courses, in my 2 mentors, I went hard and I did see the return all back thanks to the both of them. Yes, I've learned so much from the both of them. Also, by doing the work and learning from my mistakes as well, I've been able to grow a great following and help amazing clients like Abigail get her first client, and like Martina also ranked on the top page for multiple hashtags, all by my mentorship or my products and services that you can find on my website right now. So check the description box below, go to 𝚑𝚎𝚘 and find out how I can help you boost your Instagram, help you start that business, become impactful and influential as a new and aspiring entrepreneur. And you don't have to do this alone. I do have a support gang on Facebook, the Instagram Grow and Attract gang on Facebook, where you will find like-minded women, Christian new and aspiring entrepreneurs who are learning how to boost up their Instagram, hosted by moi. And in that group, I actually share with you 5 things I did on Instagram to make my first $1,000. So if you want to learn those 5 things, go right now and enter that Facebook group completely free, I promise. And you can just literally ask me anything. And you have a gang of other women who are ready to collab and get to know you and your services and your products. All right, and you want to subscribe to my channel to learn more tips and advice, and be sure to check out these 2 videos because you're gonna learn a lot to boost up your Instagram, learn to start an online business. That was a tongue twister. So be sure to subscribe and check that out. All right, Just Start Gang, keep sharing the good news and keep up the great work. I'll see you in my next video.